Daily routine. Alice is a doctor. She lives in London with her husband and her dog. Every day, she wakes up at 7, has a shower, and then makes breakfast. She eats toast with honey and drinks juice with her meal. Then she gets in her car and drives to work. Alice starts work at 9. At 10, she stops and drinks a black coffee. She stays in her office at lunchtime and eats a sandwich. After she finishes work at 5, Alice goes to the gym. She gets home at 6:30. As soon as she arrives, she takes her dog for a walk. After that, she starts cooking. Dinner is usually pasta, and sometimes she has ice cream for dessert. In the evenings, Alice likes to watch television. At 10, she goes to bed. She usually reads for 10 minutes, then goes to sleep.